Hey guys, I just wanted to show you my most recent pickup from the US Mint, so stay tuned. So, let's just get right into it. If you didn't know what it is, it's on everyone's mind and at everyone's channel. Sorry, let me put on my gloves. Okay, here we go. And I'm not going to show you the front because my info's there. And wait a second. See, now we have a problem here. Is because this says 2 items, American Silver Eagle 1 ounce coin, and we only have 1. And I guess now, such a beautiful coin though. Let's just show it off before I, wow, that's freaking hard. Okay. The last of the W, the American Silver Eagle proofs of W of the old reverse. So we know that is changing. Let me see. And then that's staying the same. 2021. Now this kind of irritating. Because I know for sure that I ordered 2. Sorry guys, I just had to edit a little bit. I had some of my info shown, but I'm gonna cover it now. So it says 2 item number 221 EA American Eagle 2021 1 ounce, and they even charged me for 2, $146. And now I only have 1. You look in the box, there's nothing else in the box. So I guess I have to call the US Mint and complain right now, because he's definitely not 2. And it's a little frustration again, because when I went to order these, I wanted to get a congratulations set, because I actually have a friend who's graduating from college, and I wanted to get him that to actually congratulate them. And of course, we all know those scooped up in like less than 2 to 3 minutes, and it kind of was irritating. And the frustrating part is we know why they're scooped up and who scooped them up. There's all these scalpers and these dealers that are just grabbing the whole bunch. It's, you know, the mint, we get irritated and frustrated by their single household limit, but now we see why that's necessary. Because this, they should have known this was going to be a hot commodity, and they didn't have it. It was like a 99 or almost none, no limit for this and the congratulations set. And now they're all on eBay going for like 3 to 4 times almost. Like the one, somebody tried to sell it for 1,000, and it's basically because of these guys scalping them up and buying 100 or 99 of them at a time. The price has increased, in my opinion, because I don't think if each of us were able to get 1 or 2 of these, I don't think the inflated premium would be as much as it is now. I think it would be more, or I mean not more, I would think it would be more than what we bought it for, more than the $73, but to be even that much more. And I think that's just because they scalped it all up, or they bought them all up out of that 2 minutes. It made it harder for us as collectors, as stackers, to get our hands on them. So now we're willing to pay a higher amount, and so they can basically this certain group of people, they bought them all up, and they can set the prices they want because they know that we want it. They know that we want to, like, let's say if we had our proof set from 1986 all the way until now, we need this coin to complete that set, and we're kind of screwed now. We're forced to pay what they want. If we were all given like that equal opportunity to grab at least one from the mint, I think the price of it now wouldn't be as much as it is, or the price wouldn't be as much as it is now. My thing also, the difference between the congratulations set and the silver proof set, there's nothing besides this packaging, and I think this is actually more expensive packaging as well too. But the only thing is, this comes with silver proof sets, you know, that we're used to. The congratulations set, it may have I know what it says, the 2021 congratulations set, so that thing, but it's to me the holder it's in, it's a piece of cardboard or a piece of cardstock with printed lettering on it. And because of the way that I think the rollout of this was, it's now, because of that little cardboard that says congratulations, it's now like 3 to 4 times what the proof is, the regular proof. When they're the exact same coin, they have the exact same features, it's the exact same coin. It says W on it, it says 2021, and I don't know, for me it's a little frustrating because I really wanted to get that as a congratulations gift, and I wasn't able to. I guess I'll have to. And then I decided to get 2. Now I'm screwed a little more by the mint, because I decided to get 2 silver proof so I can give 1 to them and 1 for me, as one proof as their congratulations. And now I can't. I have to go talk to the mint, and hopefully they still have some, even though it screwed me out of. They might have to refund me partial of this stuff, but I prefer to get the actual coin instead of a refund. But yeah, this is a little letdown. I was hoping to open this up and be happy, but I am let down by the mint, and I am not going to be the one, or I'm still not pushed enough to stop buying mint products, because where else are you going to get the mint products? From other people who are going to charge even more sometimes than the mint. So yeah, I didn't expect to make this a rant, but I guess this is my first rant video I've ever had on my channel. But it's I know a lot of people are frustrated, and I'm now sharing that frustration even more. I had frustration because of the congratulations set. Now I have even more because they mailed me 2, or mailed me 1 instead of the 2. So I guess that's it. Hopefully, I really hope that you guys who are able, hopefully the collectors and stackers who were able to get the congratulations set, I really hope that you got it, or are happy that you got it. I'm really happy if you got the proof set as well. You know, like, I just, you know, yeah, I guess there's not much more for me to say. But I got an announcement, so stay tuned. Okay. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around. This is gonna be my surprise, my first and ever surprise GA, or giveaway as they call it. So all you have to do is just leave a like, or actually I can't see if you leave a like, but leave a comment in the below, and I actually will be giving away. Actually, before we get to the giveaway, one of the other stackers who comments on my channel sometimes, he suggests that I put a map of Guam as my background, and I don't have a big enough map. I actually just got this today. This is actually how Guam looks, and you know, it's pretty known for diving, or it's well known for diving, and there's lots of places to dive, and you know, we have a lot of sea creatures to see. And so this is actually the map of the villages, that's what we call them. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put this here. I will be giving, if you would like, honestly, I'm not sure if anyone, I have these postcards here, and if you would like a postcard from Guam, like here we have this nice beach, and I think it's a sunset. This one is a sunset of Agate Sunset. Agate is one of our villages. It's like a municipality, and it's a beautiful sunset. This is a sunset of Tumon Bay. Beautiful. Look at the colors. And yeah, this is just, I guess, a picture of the Tumon Bay as well. Tumon Bay is our really known tourist area. Pretty well-known beach as well. Beach there for Guam. Or actually, Hagåtña, my bad. This is our beach near our capital, Hagåtña. And so, yeah, so my bad. This is, I believe, so this is Talifufu Falls. It's pretty small falls. We don't have like really super big falls like Hawaii does, but this is Talifufu Falls. It's pretty nice. So if you would like a postcard from me, I do have more than these. It will be random though. Just leave your... send me an email. My email will be in the description of this video, right? And if you like postcard, I'll send you a postcard and give you a nice little message. And okay, so let's give it to the giveaway. Now this is going to be a surprise giveaway. This is I will be giving if you do watch this, then be informed that I will be doing 100 subscriber giveaway. But this is for everyone who watches this video to the end. So if you watch the video to the end, I will be giving away a 3/9 fine America the Beautiful War in the Pacific quarter, just a regular size quarter, not the 5-ounce one. And right there, War in the Pacific Guam, beautiful 3/9 fine, right? Also, so actually, let's make this the first place. I'll give it 2, honestly. The second one will receive this 90%. Silver Guam, part of the DC and the U.S. territories quarters, and you receive this one as well. All shipping and mailing will be handled by me, no problem. Use no cost to you at all. And so yeah, so this would be the first place because it's 3/9 fine, and this would be the second place, 90%. I will have the description of actually their. Let me have their specs. Posted pretty soon. Hold on, give me one second. Yeah, so let's talk about the specs of the War in the Pacific quarter. I brought out his big brother. Boom. The 5-ounce America the Beautiful War in the Pacific. And so here we go. Let's talk about it. I do not have the mintage of this. I've been looking for it online for a while, but I don't. Maybe if you do know it or do you see it, maybe put in the comments. But here we go. You know, on the obverse is President and General Washington. It is $250, of course. It is minted in San Francisco. Let's see. This is by John Flanagan, which we all know. And then we have the reverse, War in the Pacific, National Historical Park, Guam. Designer was Joel Iskowitz. And then we have sculptor engraver was Michael Guadioso. Composition is 3/9 fine silver, and who doesn't love 3/9 fine silver? This is 6.343 grams. The diameter is a little less than an inch at 0.955 inch, 24.26 millimeters. It is a reeded edge, and like I said, this is from San Francisco. So I already talked about the Guam territory quarter, and so let's move this out of the way because it's not part of the GAW. But so these two, number 1, the first winner, and number 2, the second winner. And so that will be part of the GAW. You have to just leave a comment in the comment. Yeah, leave a comment on this video, and I'll do a random comment picker. I will do it 1 week from my release of this video. So 1 week should be enough for if you watch the channel. And don't forget, if you want a postcard from Guam, just send me an email or leave a comment, and I will definitely. Well, if you leave a comment, then you're already enrolled in the GAW, and you can request for this the postcard. Pretty nice. But okay, that was it. I really want to thank you for watching my video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm the Guam Stacker, and saying goodbye. See you later.